Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Let me show you how to make my version of chicken adobo in coconut cream. Here are the ingredients: chicken drumsticks, black pepper, chicken powder, bay leaves, fish sauce, soy sauce, canola oil, coconut cream, water, smashed garlic. In a large bowl, place 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks. Then sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Rub the seasonings thoroughly into the chicken. Heat 2 cups of canola oil in a large pan. When it is hot enough, fry the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn occasionally until all sides are golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. Remove some of the excess oil from the pan, leaving enough for sautéing. In the same pan, sauté 10 smashed garlic cloves until aromatic. Add the fried chicken back into the pan. Add bay leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Pour in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 1 cup of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken softens and the liquid reduces. Pour 1 large can of coconut cream into the pan. Cover and cook until the chicken is tender and the coconut cream thickens, coating the chicken. Taste the sauce and, if needed, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. Plate the chicken and garnish with siling labuyo if desired for a spicy kick. This dish pairs perfectly with steamed rice and is a delightful choice for the holidays. This dish pairs perfectly with steamed rice and is a delightful choice for the holidays. Enjoy your chicken adobo in coconut cream. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Catch up with me on all my social media pages. Thanks for watching.